and gentlemen, Cannon and Bull.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and good evening and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Once again! Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Yes, very nice. Now take it off.
No, I'm all right, Tom. Leave them in.
Bobby, you cannot do the show with all that on.
Tommy, leave it. I can do it with it on. Leave me alone. Leave them in.
All right,
What a show.
wait a minute then. What have you got on underneath there that you don't want nobody to see?
Tommy, what I've got under here is my own personal attire, my own prerogative that I will wear when I want to wear. Forget it. Leave them in.
Hey, I know what it is. Have you got them black pants on with Boy George all over it? Right?
No, I haven't because I gave them back to you last Thursday.
I know what it is. You've got them red frillies on, haven't you?
Do you know something?
What?
We've come on here to do a Christmas show, a good audience. There's times, Tommy, you really activate me, I'm telling you. Oh, shut up! Leave me alone, get on with the show. Leave me
I
alone.
will activate you in a minute. Now take it off, right? Now get it off, otherwise I'm going to rip it off, and God knows what'll come off with it.
Tommy, leave it. Just get
Take it off, right? Go on.
What's the funny, madam? What's the funny, madam? You're getting on my piggy nerves, you lady.
Now listen to me, right?
Oh, shut it, leave it.
They look very nice, Bobby. Red suits you, the red frilly pants.
It was just a misunderstanding, that's all. Forget it.
What do you mean, a misunderstanding?
Look.
And stop standing like that, will you? What do you mean? Well, look at you, I mean, for goodness sake, what's happened then? What happened?
I'll knock your pig in teeth out, lady. I've just picked the wrong costume up, that's all.
Oh, I see. How stupid can you... You know, Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There weren't a costume like that in our dressing room.
Not now, because I'm wearing it.
Hang on. There were never one like that. Never.
There isn't that. There could have been one.
Bobby, don't lie to me, right? I know when you're lying, right? You know what you've been doing? You've been in the girls' dressing room again.
What I did, I went in the girls' dressing room to borrow some shampoo for me hair. Causing dandruff.
Right, you would
Anyway.
be. Anti-dandruff, yes.
No, just dandruff.
Oh, not for your hands.
Anyways. So, what happened?
Yeah.
The girls came in.
Yeah.
And started undressing.
Yeah.
Well, what could I do? So, I went behind the screen and just pretended to be one of them. So, suddenly, the dressers come in and boggled me into this.
Oh, I see. You mean the short-sighted one?
The one with the cold hands. And she's put me into this. You shouted, Bobby, Bobby, and before I know where I am, we're on.
Yes, I know. That's all very well you're saying that, but what are we going to do now?
Looks like I'll have to go back to the girls' room.
No, you will not. Right? Now, don't talk stupid now. Get that lot off. All right? Try not to walk like that, please.
It's very difficult when you get a feeling for it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry about that, but tell you what it is. Bobby and I had a bit of a shock earlier on this week. The producer said at the beginning of rehearsal, he said, you're going to have to do some dancing for this Christmas special. So we're going to welcome you to the Hoedown! Did you all enjoy that?
Yeah!
Fabulous.
I did very well then,
I'll tell you what, I thought you were marvellous. Back flipping, forward flipping.
Well, you know, I used to be a gymnastic.
Yes, I know you did. You look like a gymnast.
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now, may I welcome you to the Thomas Cannon Repertory Players. This evening we are going to do a play for you entitled The Parting at Christmas.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this will be an epic because Tommy has got a very big parting. Am I in this?
Of course you are. You're dressed for it, aren't you?
Yeah, but Tommy, I'm the star.
No, you're not.
No.
We have a special guest star tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sir Henry Stanstead. Good evening, Sir Henry. Nice to have you on the show, sir. Yes, it is.
Tommy, there's nobody there. There's nobody there.
No, I know there's nobody there. He's over here.
Is he? Mm-hmm. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Say hello to Sir Henry Stanstead.
Oh, well, I will. Hello, Sir Henry. How are you?
You know, there's times you can really be stupid. He isn't there, he's over here.
Oh, he's moved.
Yes.
He gets about a bit, this lad, doesn't he? Hello, Sir Henry. How are you? All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Sir Henry Stanstead. Thank you.
Shut your mouth! Stop it! Are you stupid, you stupid bird? Nobody there. Sorry, Tom.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, special guest star with us this evening, Miss Ruth Madoc.
Ruth, don't let them put you off. I'm going to tell you something. What? There's something wrong with Tommy tonight. His buckle's gone. His buckle's gone. He's mental, I'm telling you. He thinks people are there that are not there.
Well, he seems all right to me.
He's mental.
Here, hold this.
Hello, Ruth, darling. Welcome to the show.
Oh, thank you for asking
You're
me.
welcome, darling.
Ruth, you don't understand what I'm trying to tell you here.
Oh, hello, Sir Henry. Lovely to see you.
Ruth, I'm trying to... Listen, you don't understand. Stop going in with him. He's mental.
Don't interrupt Sir Henry when he's telling a joke.
All right. We've got a play to do.
Go ahead.
Come along, Ruth. Okay, this is the set here.
Oh, this is the table.
That's the table.
Ah.
Come on, you're in this.
Why does he just walk through the table?
What table? I don't get this.
There's times when you can be really stupid, you know. That's the table, right? Chairs, everything around is the set.
Who built it, Sir Henry Stanstead? Shut up when I'm talking.
Listen, this is the theatre of our minds.
Sorry, Eddie.
You see, Bobby, we create the mood and the scenery out of our own minds. See, there's the table, and there's the chair, and there's a potted plant, and there's a... I don't know what that is.
I've got it, Tom.
Mind the chair. Mind the coal bucket. Mind the paper rack. Mind the lamp standard.
Mind the dog.
What dog? Settle.
All right, Wilbur, get me a drink, please.
Who's Wilbur?
Wilbur, that's you.
It could be him over there, couldn't it?
Don't be so ridiculous, there's nobody there.
In there?
No,
Drink.
please.
Can I move this?
You can shift it, yes.
Where's the bar?
Over there.
Oh, sorry, Tom, I didn't spot it.
It's okay. Mind the coal bucket. Mind the paper rack. Sorry. Mind the lamp standard. Sorry, it's better.
Mind the dog.
Sit, sit! Sit! I said sit! Must be a big bottle.
Where's the drinks?
Sorry, don't get upset. Hang on, I'm coming.
Have you dropped one?
Please.
Excuse me.
What?
Get the tray. It's better. Mind the paper, right? Mind the lamp standard. Mind the coat, little.
I know where they are.
I'm just checking with you.
Mind the dog. The table's over there.
Ruth, tell me I've finished because you just winded me up because there's nothing there, so don't start.
Just a minute.
What's up?
Where's my handbag? I gave it to you when I came on.
Yes, but I give it to Sir Henry Stansted. All right.
Mind the chair.
Tell me, I'm not stupid. There's nothing there. You're trying to make me look. I've got a lovely suit and I'm trying to be suave, suffocated, and you're winding me up. There's nothing there, look.
Mind the dog.
The dog.
He didn't mind the dog.
Obviously you didn't. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back in 2 minutes with Paul Nicholas.
Ooh.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Cannonball Christmas Show. Hey, having a good time, aren't we?
Good time.
Hey.
I've never enjoyed myself before in my life like
I'll
this.
tell you. Hello, Deirdre. Come on over here and join us.
Oh, Tommy, what do you want to run for? You don't want a dog like a run. Come on, you don't want a run. Get off, get off.
What are you talking about?
Come on, Tom, she's a dog.
No, not bothered. I'm going to sing a song now, right? I'm going to sing a song.
Oh, no. What for?
Come on, right? I'm going to sing The Nearness of You, right? And I really can't sing that to myself. I mean, I can't sing The Nearness of Me, can I? Wouldn't work. Know what I mean?
Yeah, but what about me? You don't need her.
Bobby, I'm sorry. I'm not going to sing to you.
Come on.
Forget it.
Stupid, I've got a gun ball there.
I'm not going to sing to you, right? I'm going to go over to that beautiful restaurant. There'll be soft lights. Oh, I can just picture it now.
So it's not your usual, do you fancy to what routine then?
No, it is not. This is very elegant.
Oh, yes. Very elegant. Beautiful restaurant. Candlelit dinner. You shut about away. Yes. Cameras. 3,000 people, although the light, and you're fixing Alsatian with you. Oh, yes, this is really going to work. Don't worry, Tommy, it'll work.
I feel wonderful tonight. Could it be there is something in the air? Could it be there is something intoxicating in the breeze? Or is it the Beaujolais? Tonight of all nights inspires me to sing a song. It's not the pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me. Oh no. It's not the pale moon that excites me, that thrills and delights me. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you. It's not your sweet conversation that brings this temptation. Oh no, it's just the nearness of Thank you. It's not your sweet conversation when I'm in your arms and I feel you so close to me. Oh my, go away, will you? It's not your sweet conversation that brings this.
We're just trying to help.
Listen, you've ruined the evening for us, do you know that?
No, we're
As
just...
well as wetting her through, you've ruined the evening, right?
I was just...
You know, I'm sick of it, right? You've got me skin. No, no. If you want to help, right? Go and find yourself a bird, all right? And sing to her, right? And sing Far Away.
You look great.
It's not the film that excites me, but thrills and delights me.
Is this table take or what?
Oh
Look, Joe, dog.
no, it's just the nearness of you. It's not your sweet Sorry about this. Excuse me, Joe. Come along, Deirdre, darling. Come on.
Gentlemen, he'll be back in a minute. He's got to be, because he's got me Christmas presents. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, please meet Paul Nicholas.
Clock has stopped. How come the coffee's cold? How come the newspaper's suddenly old? Where did we lose the thread? Where did the magic go? Where is the sunshine to melt the snow? It's been a while that I've been crying inside. Didn't you see? Didn't you care? Didn't the warning light shine somewhere? How did it come to this? A shrug and a stranger's kiss. Two is a crowd, but don't leave me alone for crying out loud. Say you can't build on sand. Whatever you make will shift. But look at the pyramids. For us, it's a gift. And if we say try again, and if there's another way, if you can remember that, please stay. It's been a while that I've been dying inside. Couldn't it work? Couldn't it bleed? Couldn't we somehow, someday succeed? How would it come to this? A shrug and a stranger's kiss. Two is a crowd, but don't leave me alone for crying out loud. Sharing the love we know. Two is a crowd, but don't leave me alone for crying out loud. Two is a crowd, but don't leave me alone for crying out loud.
I don't like you. Tell you straight now, I don't like you. Right? You got me? You got me? Yeah. I don't like what you were doing, that nice girl on the telly. I don't like it.
Hey, what's the matter with you? It's only a show.
That's another thing, I don't like it. I don't like you. Don't like...
No.
I don't like it because you should either marry her or leave her alone.
Yeah. I mean, why don't you marry her?
Well, it's very simple. You see, deep down in the inner libido of the character's soul, there is an inherent insecurity, probably brought upon by a juvenile Oedipus complex, that makes him unable to adopt the traditional guardian role of the male.
Yes, I know that.
And as much as he would like to marry her, there is a subconscious force at work on his outside consciousness.
And that's putting it simply, is it?
Does that mean he's one of them?
No, it does not.
Well, that'll do for me, then.
I don't like you.
Hang on now, fellas, right? Enough arguing, okay? Tell you what we'll do. How about singing some rock and roll together?
Now, that will do for me.
Yes.
Oh, baby, let me be. Your loving teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be. Your teddy bear. Oh, baby, let me be. Around you every night. Run my fingers through your hair and cuddle me real tight. Oh, let me be. Your teddy bear. I don't wanna be a tiger, cause tigers play too rough. I don't wanna be a lion, cause lions ain't the kind you love enough. Just wanna be your teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be your teddy bear.
For the money, two for the show. Three to get ready, now you go. Careful, don't you step on my blue suede shoe. Blue suede shoe. You got to do anything but get off of my blue suede shoe. Blue suede shoe. Well, if you knock me down, step on my face, slander my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do, but now, honey, get off my shoes. Don't you step on my blue suede shoe. A blue suede shoe. You don't have to do anything but get off of my blue suede shoes.
A blue suede shoe. A blue suede shoe. A blue suede shoe. A blue suede shoe.
You don't have to do anything but get off my blue suede shoes.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never gone around and you ain't no friend of mine. When they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. When they said you was high class, well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never gone around and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, just shake, rattle, and roll, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 You never do nothing to save your doggone soul. Well, get out of that kitchen and rattle those pots and pans. Pots and pans. Well, get out of that kitchen and rattle those pots and pans. Pots and pans. Hey, my pepper, I'm a hungry man. Well, shake, rattle, and roll, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, rattle, and roll, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, rattle, and roll, yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake, rattle, and roll. Well, you never do nothing to save your doggone soul. Well, you never do nothing to save your doggone soul.
Yes, children, Christmas is a time of make-believe and fairy stories. And all those wonderful thoughts that make a child's imagination so precious. I remember one story I always loved when I was young.
All right, Tom. Hey, Tommy, come on.
Aye?
Come on, disco, pull a couple of birds, come on.
children.
I'm not going to do it in front of children. Oh, that's it. I'm sorry, Kiddie Winks. What I meant was this. Listen to this. I meant pull a couple of birds, right? Couple of turkeys. Pull a couple of turkeys for Christmas dinner, you see?
We can't afford turkey for Christmas. We're just having baked beans.
I'm filling up. Give them 50p, they can have beans on toast. Get rid of them.
Will you please leave us alone? I'm trying to tell the children a Christmas story, all right?
OK, tell them I'll just sit
Thank
here
you.
and listen.
Thank you. Once upon a time, there was a lost city. Nobody ever went there. Nobody wanted to go there. It was so lost, nobody could even find it.
We're called Rochdale.
It was called nowhere, and nobody went there because it was a very sad place. There were no flowers growing, no grass growing, no trees. It was really sad. And you know why?
God, they turned it into Rochdale Football Club. What did you get on my nerves, I'm telling you?
Shut up, will you? The kid's right.
He's getting on my piggy nerves, this kid.
Perhaps getting on his nerves as well. Sorry about that, kids. Then one day, a little rabbit was going hippity-hoppity, hippity-hoppity through the woods. Oh, yes, looking for food. And worrying about the princess. Bibbity-bobbity, bibbity-bobbity went. No.
Tommy, you said hippity-hoppity then. Is it hippity-hoppity, bobbity-bobbity?
Well, does it matter whether one's called hippity and the other's called bobbity?
Of course it matters how we're going to follow the story. They keep changing it.
All right. Okay, right. There were two rabbits.
Right.
Okay? One was called Hippity and one was called Bobbity. You got that? Okay. Now then, as Hippity and Bobbity were going along, they met Willie the Weasel.
Willie the Weasel!
Yes. Hey, but what do you think? What do you think?
What?
What do you think Willie did?
He ate them.
No, he didn't! No!
Weasels eat rabbits!
No, this one was a nice weasel. He loved everybody. Okay, right then. Now then, Hobbity.
Yeah, not Bobbity.
Not Bobbity, no.
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 No, so he's gone, has he?
What?
He'll have gone to watch...
He went home.
He's gone to watch Dynasty. I wonder who's up next. I can't think. Watch up, kid. I wonder who's on next. Hurry up, Tom, hurry up. I'm into this. I'm excited.
And Hoppity said,
What?
What can we do?
I don't know.
And the weasel said,
I hate him.
The weasel? Yeah.
Shut your face, kid. I'm into this.
And we have to save the princess. And guess who came along?
Alec the alligator!
Stupid idiot. No! It was Brock the Badger! And he said,
What?
Hippity
What?
must find a shining knight
Oh, did it?
and bring him along.
Did he?
Oh, yes. So,
Go on.
off went Hippity.
Hippity's gone now.
Hippity Hoppity had found a shining knight.
Had he?
Oh, yes. And brought him back to nowhere.
Nowhere, yeah.
Oh, yes. But who do you think was there to meet him?
Kelly the kangaroo!
You stupid idiot, was the Wicked Witch! Oh, yeah! Yes, she threw a magic spell at the knight.
Yeah, and you know what happened? She threw the spell and he put his shield up and the spell bounced right off it. You know who's coming next? Walter the Woofter. He is. He is. He is. Listen, you.
Stupid, I'm gonna kill you, right?
He started it.
Never mind that, I'll kill you if you carry on. Right?
Tommy, it's Christmas.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry about that. Come on, let's go and join the carol singers. Come on.
Right.
Thank you, and thank you, the Pets and Lots of Children. Fabulous. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to just do something a little bit... You're chewing gum.
Sorry?
You're chewing gum, aren't you?
All the best bass players chew chewing gum.
Joe's not doing it.
Joe's not the best bass player.
Okay, you've had your fun, all right? Can you play that thing?
Can I play it? In Rochdale, I'm known as Fingers the Ball. Put your face, lady. You're good enough tonight.
Right, you're playing it. Come on, let's hear it then. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like now to sing for you some very famous folk songs.
Wonderful songs.
Some of the songs are of battle. Some of the songs are of love.
And some of them are very dirty.
No, they are not.
You're not doing O'Reilly's daughter.
I'm not doing that.
Good at it.
No.
Sorry.
I'm not. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I'd like to take you across to the Emerald Isle. Oh, Danny boy.
What's up, wrong key?
Wrong key? What are you talking about?
What have I done now?
This is a gentle song. You don't play it like that. Do you? You go.
Oh, sorry, I want a G cleffing.
If you don't mind.
Sorry, I've got it.
Okay?
Got it.
All right, here we go. Oh, oh, oh,
Shut up! You're pulling my nipple off.
Pulling it off. Right, now listen to me, right? I've got a better idea.
What?
And it might help you to live a little longer. Right? Now play one note at the beginning of each sentence, okay?
Okay, Tommy.
Right.
I've got it. Just give me the nod.
Okay. Oh, Danny boy. The pipes are calling.
Yes, indeed, Linda, man. The pipes are calling in Ireland because the plumbing is big and terrible. You can hear it at night going, oh! It's very bad plumbing. Airlocks.
From glen to glen and down the mountainside.
Yes, indeed, Linda, man. First they went to Glen Campbell, then they tried Glen Hoddle. And they still can't cure the pigging plumbing in Ireland. It's awful.
The summer's gone and all the leaves are falling.
Because the problem is, with it being autumn, the leaves are falling off the trees and they go in the gutter, so they get very soggy. And then they go down into the sewers, and of course, the plumbing can't take this with all these wet leaves. So hypochondrically in saying that the leaves
Is you must go and I must bide, but come ye by when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley, or when the valley is hushed and white with snow.
as you see now, ladies and gentlemen, the snow has gone on the leaves and the pigging pipes are frozen up. We're gonna get it light.
For I am here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so. Great! Forget it. Oh, come on, Tom. Forget it. Forget it. That's it, right? Forget it. I am not. Forget it. Forget the folk songs, right? Forget it.
Well, I'm glad, Tom, because I didn't like the pigging folk songs.
Oh, no, you
Tommy,
would
look
you?
at them. It's Christmas. I want to do a Christmas song.
Well, it's all right saying that. We need to do something a bit more with it, don't we?
Actually, it happens that I've got just the right song for this.
Have you?
Give us a mic, please.
Okay.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty, who's nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yes, he is. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ooh, yeah. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping.
better be